Yeah, good evening. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is, Monday, 24th of February, 2020. It's about 5:30 p.m. my local time, which is in Vietnam, which means the 12-hour charts, which we're looking at. The 12-hour candle ticked over 30 minutes ago. A little bit of action on the charts. I'll just do a quick video here to show you what's been done. I found a little nifty little tool on TradingView where I can mark the actual pairs I'm looking at, so I don't have to go through them all. So those little red dots mean I've done something that has to be explained in the video. So let's go through it. AusCAD, I've got a blue dot on the MACD Platinum, or green dot, whatever your color vision looks like. Sometimes it looks green, sometimes it looks blue. It's just a warning signal. There's no confirmation green dot on the QMP filter. I was in a sell here. I'd already closed for 0.06, already closed 0.04 as a part of a sequence. Because of that dot there, I've closed another 0.01, and my stop's been moved down to 88853, which is the red dot below the entry level. So added a little bit more profit, which was about $15.16, which has all been added to this. And we've locked in some little bit of profit, looking for a buy on this AusCAD. The MACD is starting to get a long way below the zero level. Price is a long way from the MAs, looking to take it back up there. Right, CAD Swiss. This is a pair that I accidentally took a sell down here based on what I thought was a red QMP filter signal. It wasn't confirmed. This is when I just first started using TradingView and I was tricked. Then I took a second sell up here, thinking to work my way down as price went higher. Then I took a third sell on the break of this blue trend line. So the overall break even was somewhere up here. I can't remember where it was. Price has gone through there. Even though the MACD Platinum's not at the zero level, it's a trade sequence I shouldn't have been in, so I'm closing it, or part of it, for a small profit. So I made about $15.18 overall. So this first trade is being closed. The second sell is being closed completely. And this third sell here is, so I'll just get rid of these other horizontal lines so there's no confusion what trades are left. So I've just got this third sell, which was for 0.06. Today I closed the first sell, the second sell, and 0.4 of that third sell, and I set a stop in place just above this high here. Locked in a bit of profit, got a bit of wiggle room. MACD still above the zero level, so probably still take this down a little bit further. So that's the CAD Swiss. It was a pair that I shouldn't have been in, hence I'm closing it, even though probably if I was in a normal trading sequence, I'd still be in this. But no use rewarding myself with a mistake. Euro Oz. Now, I was in a sell back here. It already gone down nicely. I had a stop in place, and that was actually stopped out early in the day. I just left it in place. So that sell's no longer in play. What did we make on that? I think I made about $29.42. So that's gone. So that can go. And this one go. So that just leaves me with a buy in place. The MACD Platinum's coming up towards the zero level now. So I'm expecting it to sort of head up towards the MAs there. So we've just got the one buy, break evens at the point of entry, profit the date, it's all in place there. So that's the Euro CAD. New Zealand CAD. What do I do here? All I did was add this grey vertical line. Again, there's a MACD Platinum green dot below the zero level. It's just a warning signal that it looks like it's possibly turning to the upside. I'm in a bit of a crappy sequence here. I'm hedged. You can read my notes, pause the video, taking a buy, hedge sell, second buy, second hedge sell. Now looking for a third buy to go back up. MACD sort of stayed below the zero level, close there, but technically I guess it is all below the zero level there. Looking for it to come back up and try and get us some profit there. At the moment, hedged. And lastly, USD Japanese yen. in a buy back here. What have we got here? Buy to close one. Already closed one. Stop moved up. All I did today, there's a new sell signal here. Again, MACD, the price is a long way above the MAs. MACD is a long way above the zero level. There's no divergence. It's a high risk trade. I'll take the sell, but it's not so high risk because I've got a partial buy in place, a partial hedge. I've moved my stop up on that buy, up above the entry level, and that's up to, what do I move up to 110,431. You can see it on my notes there. It's there, clear as day. So generally, if I took this sell as a standalone trade, if I was just trading normally, then I would have a stop in place above this high somewhere. Give it a bit of room, not right above it or right above it, but give it a bit of wiggle room. But because I've got the partial hedge on in this system, I'm basically taking trades, especially when they're so far above the zero level of MACD Platinum. It's all good. So that's the pairs I did some work on. And this is TradingView, 12-hour high probability charts. It's the JAGfx.com. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your night. Cheers.